Hey you guys, it's Jaylen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed this Dizzy Dora bob. I'm going to show you guys how I installed this bob. The installation process as well as the baby hair process. I love literally everything about this look. I usually hate short bobs on me, but this one is a bob. So with that being said, go ahead, get you some popcorn, get you something to drink, because we about to get lit. Hey guys, let's get right into this video. So let's first start off by saying that if you have not watched how I customize this unit, please go down, check my description box. It's going to be a link where I show you the customization of this specific unit right here. As soon as you watch that video, come back to this video so you can see how I installed it. So just to give you guys a refresher, this unit is from MsLynn Hair. This is a 360 transparent unit that is in the density of 150% and in the inch of 12. Within the previous scene, I was just applying makeup onto the lace just so that it could mimic my scalp a little bit. And right here, I'm positioning the unit to mimic a natural hairline for me. It's gonna be a good one. Can we not pretend just love? Can we be what we always dreamed of? I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I've been hurt before. Right here, I am defining my part. I am taking the same foundation that I used earlier and just sculpting out my part. That way it could be more defined. You can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time? Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. Before I go in with the hairspray, I like to comb out my baby hairs to the front. That way I could get a clear visual of the direction that I need to spray the hairspray and also what areas that I want to be laid the most. And then also I like to comb out the baby hairs to the front because if I apply the hairspray onto my baby hairs, it's going to make it a little hard. So remember, you want to think smarter, not harder. Make this project easier for you. Just comb your baby hairs out to the front. Take your hairspray like so, and then apply it onto the lace, and even if you get it on the hair that you see I got a little wet right there, even if you get it on the hair behind the lace, it's going to be okay. Just comb everything to the back and repeat the same steps throughout the entire process. Now, that product that you saw me use was just more so of a hair sheen, like a hair mist, something like a lightweight oil, something that'd be pretty easy for me to use when it comes down to me combing out that excess hairspray that I don't need clogged up. Tonight, call me, I'm waiting.
this step, I highly recommend. I believe a hot comb is going to make or break your frontal installment. The best advice that I can give you guys, if you don't feel comfortable using a hot comb with the unit attached to your head, just do it on your wig head. That way you'll be able to get every piece as flat as you possibly can get it. And also remember to part in sections. Take your time. It's no need to rush. Baby, you gotta be laid. You gotta be laid, slayed, and everything else in the book, okay? So just, like I said, go in, part your hair into sections, and just run that bad boy through it, child.
I'm ready to open up my heart. You and me, it's gonna be a good one. Can we not pretend, just love? Can we be what we always dreamed of? I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you. Hey, you can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time? Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore.
We all love some baby hairs, child, don't we? We love them on the frontal. Now, yeah, I don't have the best advice when it comes down to baby hairs. What I can tell you is that when you are sculpting out your baby hairs, just think of a C. Think of a C and get that C to the best C that it can possibly be. That's all I can say, really. But yeah, baby hairs, they're gonna take time. Of course, you won't be able to get it the first try, but the more and more you practice, you will be able to perfect that baby hair. So remember, when you do your baby hair, think of a what? A C.
I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you. Hey, you can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time? Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long.
Once you have finished sculpting out your baby hairs, you could tie everything down for at least 2 to 3 minutes or longer. What I like to do is I would tie my baby hairs down and move into the styling portion of my hair. That way, by the time I finish styling, I know for a fact that everything is completely dry.
I'm ready to open up
Alright you guys, and there we have it. This is the final look of my Dizzy Dora vibe. I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any future styles that you guys would like for me to try out, as well as your favorite hair companies or any other hair companies that you would like for me to try out. Once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in next month's hair series.